I'm going to show you, just with white sheet of paper, how you can do a simple notebook just using one piece of paper. All right. The first thing you're going to do is lay it down landscape. All right. So that means the longer side is going like this, and you're going to fold it up, fold it over in half, and make a crease. All right. So see there, fold it over in half. Then we're going to turn a portrait and fold it in half the other way. So we divided our sheet into 4 quarters. You see that there? Now, imagine this is a big mouth facing away from you. You're going to pull back the lips, back to the edge. See there? Pull it back like that. You're going to do the same on the other side. Pull it back like that, okay? So now you have what's a little mountain. Do you see this center? There's a center crease there. You're going to cut with your scissors down the mountain, but you're going to stop when you get there. So then it'll bend out like this. Then grab the 2 halves of your mountain, pull them around, and bend them all around like this. And this is the simplest type of little notebook that you can make. And what sometimes a good idea is, if before you cut it up, you do like loads of drawings on it, and then each page will have like a little bit of artwork on it, and you could maybe create it into like a decoupage journal. So that's one little idea there.